affirmations and meditations for relationships. Harmony, disharmony, repair. Everyone wants a relationship to be harmony all the time, but the reality is we need to relax into the cycle of harmony, disharmony, repair, back up to harmony, disharmony, repair, because we're involved with human beings, and human beings are not perfect, are fallible and human, and we are too. When you find yourself upset, take that as a sign that your body is letting you know there's something that you're needing. Don't criticize. Don't lead with anger, but first recognize what it is that you are wanting or needing. Sometimes it's truly a need, and sometimes it's a preference, a want, and there's nothing wrong with asking for that as well. So once you figure out what you want or need, ask for it in a calm tone. Again, lead with, I need you to give me a call if you're going to be late. I would really like to feel special to you when we're out in public. I need to know if you're upset about something instead of distancing. Then also ask, do you need some time to think about it? Do you think you could do that? You want to get an explicit contract back from the person instead of assuming that you have an agreement. And they may have a new creative idea. Affirmations. I can relax into the reality that every relationship is a cycle of harmony, disharmony, repair. People are human and fallible, have blind spots. It's good to notice when there's an upset that tells you where a want or a need is. I can practice being assertive and asking for what I want in a calm, respectful way.